so how are you doing?
So, hello, ma'am. We are doing so excellent. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. So it's very first time one screen, two people. Yes, so both are brother and sister.
Yes, ma'am. We are brother sister.
Okay,
You can just.
sibling. I'm not getting your voice. Hello.
I have told you, ma'am. We are siblings as well as we are twins.
Oh, you are twin. Okay, so you can introduce yourself. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. As you
Better.
have given me the opportunity, I will accept it. This is Maliha. I studied in 7th standard recently. I love to know new things, especially vocabulary related. If I talk about my family, so my family consists of 4 members. They're my parents, me, and my brother. If I talk about my brother, so his name is Muwaj bin Masud. He also studies 7th standard. As I have told you,
Let
when we
him speak. Let him speak. Okay, you can speak.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me a golden opportunity to introduce myself. So it's me, Muslim speaking in front of you. I study at 7th standard. We are belong to Dinajpur district, Bangladesh, and this is my sister. We are siblings as well as twins, baby. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I like to riding bicycle, speaking English with a stranger, and making English vlog video. So that's all about me. So, ma'am, would you please introduce yourself?
Okay, of course. Let me introduce myself, then we will jump into the session. Okay. So, my name is Menika. I'm from India, Jharkhand. Okay. And I'm a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my qualification concerns, so I have done graduation with commerce. I also done teaching diploma degree, and currently I'm pursuing Master of Commerce. Apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel. If I talk about my hobbies, so I like to reading books and I also like to enjoy free time with my kids. That's it.
so
Okay.
nice.
Okay. So you are studying same class?
Yes, ma'am. We are studying same class. That's mean 7th standard.
Seventh standard. Okay, so have you completed your homework? Today homework?
No, we didn't complete our homework yet.
Okay, so when you will complete?
After finishing this session, we will take dinner, and after that, we will try to finish our homework.
Okay, after dinner then you will try. So how much time it will take to complete your school work?
Actually, you can say that 1 or 2 hours.
1 and 2. So when you will sleep?
We go to sleep at 10:30, 10:30 p.m. Sorry,
It's a
11:30.
11:30. Okay. It's almost 9 o'clock, and you have to complete your homework almost 2 hours you study. Okay, that's great. So, what is your favorite subject?
Yeah, you can say my favorite subject is math.
Both? Both of you like math?
I'm different than Muaj. I like science subject very much.
Oh, you like science. So, you help each other when you are juggling any kind of difficulty in math, and when your brother is juggling any kind of difficulty in science. So, you help each other?
Definitely, ma'am. When we fall in danger, we try to help each other. He
Mhm.
also knows very well in science. I am also know very well in math. When we don't know, I don't know these things. When I try to help him, that what is the solution, and he knows these things, then what will be the answer, correct answer. Then he told me. He always try to help me.
Okay, that's great. Very
So,
nice.
ma'am, we are very curious to know from you that how did you learn this language, and how long have you been using this language, English?
Okay. I have been, how long? There are lots of gap in my journey, okay? Because due to my baby and sometime other work I can see. So it's not a long, it's a very long journey, but I'm not working on consistency. Okay, I'm not working consistently. That's why there are lots of fluctuation. Like, if I talk about conversational video last year, it's almost one more than 1 year I can say. and I completed a conversation video, but I'm not doing the session regular basis. I'm not practicing, but I try to do. And due to gap, yes, when you left your work, you will start forget the thing. Yes, and you will feel underconfident. You will feel start. I'm missing something. I'm forgetting whatever you learn. So we should never left our work. So have you ever missed conversation?
Yeah, actually, in the middle point of our for 1 or 2 week we was a very we leave our conversation due to our exam, so that's why we and
That time
now
you can practice with that time you can practice with each other. Yes. If
Right.
you are not doing conversation, it's okay, but you can practice at home.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to say you that every single day we try to practice for doing anything. You will be glad to know that for practicing every day, every single day, we'll make a video. This is a conversation with any kind of foreigner people. It can be
Mhm.
blog video content related.
Okay, so do you have channel?
Yes, ma'am. We are running a YouTube channel named Muwaj English Tour. You can visit there, ma'am.
Okay, okay, definitely I will visit and I will see. What it's a all English content.
yeah, it's all content we are running our English.
Okay. So do you speak whole day at home, whatever you are doing in school, in home, in classroom?
Yes, ma'am, your conception is totally correct. As you have told us that everything when we do anything, that we speak our second language, that is English. We don't use our native language in our daily routine or in our daily whole day.
So
Apart from
what's your native language? It's
our
Bengali.
native,
Sorry.
our
Uh-huh.
native language is
Sorry.
our language is Bengali, ma'am.
Bengali. Okay. So you speak English language in school classroom.
Yeah, actually, when our English class started, in that time we try to speak in English with our English teacher.
Otherwise, other subject when it's in classroom, teacher it taught us other subject that time.
At that time, actually, you know that we are studying at private sector at our Bengali medium school. So that's why other teachers can't speak in English and other students can't speak in English. So if we speak in front of them in English, they won't be able to understand and it will be in vain. So that's why we don't speak.
Oh, and what about your family? They able to
Yeah,
understand whatever you are speaking in English?
yeah. In the previous time, they didn't know English very well, but because of us, they can also English a little bit, speaking English a little bit. And with home, with our parents, with each other, we all time speak in English. And because of us, they are also learning. You can say.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Fantastic. So what are the activity you are doing to enhance your communication skill? You apart from studying, okay? Especially for English language, what are the activity you are doing?
Actually, ma'am, to be honest, it's truly speaking that we every single day we are trying to make this type of conversation, improving our communication is as well as we're running a space as well. For that we are trying to make English blog video for practicing purpose. And as I told you, all the time we try to speak in English at home and in school and anywhere. And also apart from this, we also try to listen more and more English speeches, and we are trying to connect with different people for other country on this Skype application for improving our communication skills.
Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. So, do you read books, English books, every single day? I think
Yeah,
yes.
actually, ma'am, that for academic study for our home tax for school, we have to study but to learn English. If we come to the spoken English to learn English, we don't need. But whenever we get free time, in that time we read.
So, there is any story in your mind, English story you want to describe here? There is any English story in your mind?
Actually, ma'am, I'd like to say you that in our textbook there is no any story in English. That is why we didn't read it.
There is no story in your book?
There is no any story in 7th class.
Okay. Okay, so I think there is no story in your mind. Okay. So let's ask the another question. The question is, what is your hobby?
Yeah, actually, to be honest, ma'am, in the introduction, as I told you, that my hobbies is riding bicycle, is speaking English to the stranger, and making English blog video more and more. So these are my hobbies.
And what about you, your
I talk
sister?
about my hobbies, so many things I'd like to share with you. Something that is I'd like to write every single day to improve my writing skill. Apart from this, I'd like to riding bicycle, and I have learned
Okay.
it that interested in. And if, apart from this, I'd like to say you I'd like to listen more and more English content video and so on.
Okay, that's
So,
great.
ma'am, what do you do to improve your communication, to improve your spoken English?
What I'm doing, I'm not doing anything. Okay. I just love to reading books. Okay.
Oh,
So, ma'am, don't you read any kind of vocabulary English related?
Yes, I have book words in my mind. Can I ask?
Here, ma'am, you can ask.
Okay, okay. It will be interesting. So, what is the meaning of tiny?
sorry,
Tiny, Tiny. You know,
I am.
tiny.
Will you be able to understand our native language?
No, you can explain in English.
It can be a
Tiny.
small. It can be a
Hmm.
small thing.
Yes, yes, yes. Something is very small. That's great. Okay. And the second one is gather.
Gather
Gather
means
means to
together.
No, no,
gather means
together
to
is a. Sorry, repeat again. I didn't catch your voice.
pair like this.
Repeat again. I'm not actually when both start speaking now, your voice is not coming. So try to speak one by one. Okay.
Stop.
Hmm. Explain. What is the meaning?
Gather means to add something. You can say together or to add something.
No, not add. Add we can. It's not a correct explanation. Gather means when we are collecting something. Collect करना, इकट्ठा करना. Okay. When you are collecting your copy, your book, your notebook. Yes. Collect करना. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay, that's great. And the other word is not coming in my. There is lots of word, but what should I ask here? It's not coming in my mind. Okay, it's a phrasal verb. Pile up. P-I-L-E-U-P. Pile up. It's a phrasal verb. You know what is the meaning of pile up?
No, we don't know. This is our first time, and we didn't read this type of word in our books.
Actually, ma'am, one thing I'd like to ask you that I have heard so many English speakers. They always tell every learner, those who are beginner, that if you would like to read English book, especially, so you must have the vocabulary. So that is why I have told you. And every single day I'll
Hmm.
try to memorize the vocabulary. Actually, I'd like to share with you that I actually I'd like to tell you that how I will memorize that vocabulary. It can be a some vegetables name. It can be some classes related vocabulary. Like this way, I memorize.
Okay, so the best way of memorizing and recalling the word is try to use more and more in your day-to-day conversation. Okay, Otherwise you are just mugging the word, and you are just collecting the word and you are not using, so you will forget it. Okay, so don't do this. Whatever the word you learn, okay, a single day, try to use those words in your day to day life. It will be, maybe it's a vegetable names, and it's a words related to animals and any other things. Try to use it. You will not get forget very easily. And the second thing, how we should inculcate our vocabulary: reading books. When you will read the book now, there are lots of word you will get, and you will feel day by day your vocabulary power will be increase, and you will
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to use more and more vocabulary in your conversation.
Yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, if you don't mind, can I hang up this phone for today? Because after finishing this session, we have to have our dinner. After that, we have to study.
Okay, there is no issue.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for connecting with us and your valuable time.
Okay, thank you so much. It's a nice conversation with your both of you, very lovely. Okay, bye bye.